Your phone recognizes your face in milliseconds. But when it first learned how, every single guess was wrong. A neural network starts with random numbers controlling every decision. Random weights, random predictions. Completely useless. But then something clever happens. After every guess, it gets a score. Not a grade, just one number measuring how wrong it was. Small, close. Big, way off. This number is called the loss. That loss signal travels backward through every connection in the network. Each one asks, did I make this worse? If yes, adjust slightly. This is backpropagation. Millions of tiny corrections, one guess at a time. Now run this loop 10 million times. The loss keeps dropping. The network stops guessing randomly and starts being right. Not because anyone wrote rules, but because it earned them through failure. That's how every AI model you've ever used learned. Not rules. Just terrible guesses, scored and corrected, at scale.